Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Fossibot F112 Pro. Here in the back of the box we can read some specifications, but first let's unbox it and I will tell you these specifications as the video goes along. And as we open the box, we are presented with the phone itself, the charging brick and the charging cable. The charging cable is Type A to Type C. This is the charging brick, the European version. It has a Type A input. This is the phone itself. This is the user manual. We have a SIM ejection tool and that's it. Now let's take a look at the phone. We have a clear gel skin case. Okay. I didn't expect this, but the back of the phone feels very nice. Let me just remove this sticker. The back of the phone has like a rubberish feel to it. Feels very nice. The camera bump here is, I would say, aluminum. Yeah, it's metal. It's most definitely metal. Here in the front we can see the phone specifications, and since we're here, let's talk about them. We have a main camera of 50 megapixels and a 5 megapixel secondary camera. We have a 16 megapixel front facing camera. We have a 6.88 inch HD Plus display. We have 8 GB of RAM, which goes up to 24 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. We have an octa-core processor, which is the Dimensity 7300. We have a fingerprint sensor. I believe it will be here in the power button. Android OS, it has Android 14 straight out of the box. It has a big battery of 7150 milliamperes and it has 18 watts of fast charging. Here in the left side of the phone, we have a function button and the SIM tray. The SIM tray can hold 2 SIMs at the same time, or 1 SIM and 1 SD card slot, and SD card can support up to 1 TB. On the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button. On the bottom we have the Type-C port. We have the speaker wheel, the microphone, and on the lower right side we have 2 holes to attach a strap. On the top we have another microphone. Camera bump, flashlight, yeah. Let me remove the sticker and turn on the phone. Hi there. And from what I can tell, we have a pre-installed screen protector. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Here we have a pre-installed screen protector. Let me just connect to Wi-Fi and skip the menu real quick. Okay, so we are on the menu now. Fun fact, I was on the beach today and I don't know how it translates in English, but I got bit from this thing here today, so yeah. Now it's a wallpaper on this phone. It's a default wallpaper. Okay, let's continue with the video. Let's go to settings. Display. Brightness level is at 100%. we're dealing with an IPS LCD display. It has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Let's go to System, Update Available. The phone started its life at Android 14. Here we have the toggles. We have a new small software update. Let's resume it. Yeah. Let's just open the camera real quick. We have picture, 50 megapixels, video and mono. We have more. Here and more we have the bokeh effect. It translates to portrait photo. We have night, pro mode, macro and scan. Let's go to video. We can record up to 2K. And we can do that up to 30 frames per second. I'm just gonna leave it at 1080p. We can zoom up to 4 times. Same goes even for the 50 megapixel mode here. Yeah. Before ending, let me check the viewing angles. It's an IPS LCD display, but still it's a big display, and I believe that the viewing angles will be good. The case perfectly fits. We have the button cutouts here on the bottom for the charging port, the speaker, for the power button, which also serves as a fingerprint sensor. Yeah. The camera cutouts, all good. Now let me tell you about the price. The price of this phone, as you can see here, it's on a discount right now for around $220 or around 200 euros. And in that price point, I believe that this is a good choice. If you decide to purchase from Fossibot website, you have 100 days of free trial. Get a full refund when you return your undamaged products within 100 days for any reason. Even if you don't like the phone, you just want to take it back, you can go ahead, they will refund your money. Once the item arrives back at the Fossibot warehouse for inspection, the refund process will begin. Okay. Here you will also find the detailed specification sheet of the product, the available colors. We have 5 available colors. We have orange, black, blue, red and green. Yeah. This is the green color. This is red. This is blue. This is black. And you already saw orange. Yeah. The phone supports 5G. You can read everything on Fossibot website. But if you want an even lower price, I would recommend you the website Banggood. It's also an app. The price is just under $200, which will be, I think, equivalent to 180 euros or so for the same exact phone. yeah, you get new user bonus. So if you register as a new user on Banggood, you will get a bonus on top of the lowered price. So yeah, that is a good deal. And to make it easy for you, I will leave links in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.